In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho Books. Whether you're new to using Zoho Books or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, we need to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zoho.com/books in the address bar, then hit enter. The Zoho Books homepage will load, showcasing its features, pricing, and other details. Don't let this page distract you. Our goal today is logging in, so let's focus on that. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the screen, and you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it, and this will redirect you to the Sign In page dedicated to Zoho services. Here, you'll see fields where information needs to be provided, such as your email and password, but hold on a moment before filling those in. The next step is to type in your email address. In the box marked Email, go ahead and enter the email that's associated with your Zoho Books account. Make sure to double-check for typos to avoid any issues with logging in. Once you have verified that your email is entered correctly, look for the Next button and give it a click. What might happen now is that you will be prompted to enter a one-time passcode or OTP. This is an extra layer of security Zoho has implemented to keep your account safe. Depending on your settings, you might receive this code either via email or as a text message to your registered phone number. Keep an eye out for this message, noting that there can sometimes be a small delay in receiving it. Once you have your OTP, return to the login page and enter the code into the designated field. This is a crucial step, as your login will be incomplete without it. After confirming that the OTP is correctly input, find the Verify button on the screen and click on it. This action will authenticate your access. Assuming that all the information you've entered is correct, you should now successfully be logged into Zoho Books. From here, you'll have full access to your account, and you can start managing your finances right away. And there you have it. Logging into Zoho Books is completed quickly and securely by following these straightforward steps. Make sure to keep your login information safe, and remember that the added security layer with OTP is there to protect your account. So it's always best to enable and use it where possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on using Zoho Books effectively.